In this tutorial video, we are going to show you how you can use absolute cell reference in Microsoft Excel. For this, you are showing that we have some data of monthly sale. We are going to calculate the percentage of monthly sale based on total sales. Suppose we have sale total number of 1257. We want to calculate how much sale we have sold in January based on total sale, and which is the percentage of January sale based on total. Let's start. Here we are entering equal in the percentage sale, then the total sales of January divided by total sales of total month, then enter. Here you can see 0.07. Keep in mind that this should be the percentage format. That's why we are selecting total of this cell, and mind it, in the home button you can see some number option. Here you can see percentage. Click there. Now you can see 8% total sale in January based on the total sale of the year. If we drag it to the last, then it will give an error. Why? In this time we are using absolute cell reference. Let's describe it. Here you can see that the formula is this sales divided by total sales, and in this cell here you can see that the formula is February sale divided by this cell, which means this is an empty cell. When we are going to the down cell, then the total cell is dropping to the next here. Then if we go there, then the total cell will drop there. That's why we are getting an error. For solving this, we just need to fix the E16 cell. That means this cells. When it will go down, then it will fix, but on the other hand it will not fix. It will not fix. Let's fix this. Go to this cell, and in the E16, after E, just click there and enter an F4 function. This will appear a $sign. Look, there is a $sign. Then click enter. Here you can see 8%, and now if you drag it to the last, it will show the accurate values. This is how you can use absolute cell reference in Microsoft Excel. Thank you for watching the video.